PBR. 1016.
Experience the intensity and tactical expertise behind police vehicle pursuits in the United States. Each chase demands calculated maneuvers and unwavering determination from officers as they confront dangerous criminals on the run. Subscribe to uncover the strategies, bravery, and split-second decisions that bring these high-stakes pursuits to a close. On February 14, 2024, at approximately 8:44 a.m., a Florida Highway Patrol officer observed a 2012 Hyundai Elantra traveling southbound on 49th Street North in Pinellas County, FL, displaying a license plate registered to a different vehicle. Upon confirming the plate's stolen status through an NCIFICCC check, the officer activated emergency lights in an attempt to initiate a traffic stop. Instead, the driver accelerated, fleeing at high speed. To end the danger, troopers executed a pit maneuver on I-4 eastbound near 50th Street, bringing the pursuit to an end and allowing officers to safely take the driver into custody.
Pit, pit, pit! Get it from here. Can we get up to the location?
The defendant now faces multiple charges, including fleeing law enforcement, possession of stolen property, and fraudulent use of a license plate. On April 27, 2023, at approximately 8:21 a.m., a Florida Highway Patrol trooper was positioned along I-95 monitoring traffic for a black Harley-Davidson motorcycle known to operate without a license. This motorcycle had repeatedly evaded the trooper in previous encounters, driving recklessly and posing a danger to other motorists. The motorcycle's persistent disregard for traffic laws had made it a high-priority vehicle. Flagged in a Be on the Lookout alert due to its repeated evasive behavior, law enforcement remains committed to locating the driver and addressing these repeated traffic violations to ensure the safety of all road users.
You don't have to talk to me. You know that. I just said that to you. If you don't want to answer the question, you don't have to. I'm not going to hold that against you, okay? You have that right. That's a great thing about our country, right? Don't you agree?
On June 22, 2024, at around 9:44 p.m., Trooper Wright 5774 joined a high-speed pursuit on Interstate 40 involving a gray Dodge Caravan with Mississippi plates already being chased by West Memphis officers.
Alright, I'll be with him. 823, I'm coming.
In a dramatic turn, the driver attempted to exit the vehicle before it came to a stop, causing him to fall out onto the roadway. The van ultimately came to a halt after striking the center barrier. This pursuit showcased a fast, coordinated response to end a dangerous chase safely.
TBI.
On Thursday, June 20, 2024, at approximately 9:14 p.m., Troop of Communication informed officers that the Little Rock Police Department was in pursuit of a stolen vehicle near Baseline Road and Interstate 30. Troopers quickly responded, with one officer taking primary position in the pursuit near Cloverdale Drive and Dahlia Drive.
14. Baseline, no, we're going on Chico, northbound on Chico.
With assistance from the Little Rock Police Department, Forney was taken into custody without further incident. The investigation was handed over to the Little Rock Police Department for further processing.
Watch his leg.
On August 26, 2024, at approximately 4:15 p.m., Trooper Bratton was traveling east on I-630 when he observed a gold Lincoln Town car displaying Arkansas license plate Abe 11 speeding at 80 mph in a 50 mph construction zone. As Trooper Bratton approached the vehicle, instead of stopping, the driver sped up, passing traffic on the left shoulder. The vehicle, driven by Joshua Haney, then lost control, fishtailing and colliding with a white Honda Accord before spinning 360 degrees and coming to rest against the concrete barrier on the left shoulder. Haney exited the vehicle and attempted to flee on foot across I-630, narrowly avoiding traffic.
630 to 130. Oh, shoot!
With the help of Pulaski County Deputy Coffey, Trooper Bratton apprehended Haney after a brief chase. Once cleared, he was taken to the Pulaski County Detention Center and charged with multiple offenses.
Northbound at the 46, Arkansas, Adam William Young, 39 Charles, AWY 39C. It's a white Nissan Versa.
On Monday, June 3, 2024, at around 9:39 a.m., a trooper patrolling southbound on Interstate 555 near mile marker 46 observed a white Nissan Versa and, after running the license plate through AC, discovered the vehicle was uninsured. The trooper activated the overhead blue lights to initiate a traffic stop, but the driver did not pull over, continuing south at a moderate speed.
Southwest on 559.
TBI.
Now, where is it?
CFS comments added.
42, speeds 100.
12 User Red, southbound.
The trooper approached with a firearm drawn and successfully apprehended the driver, who was transported to St. Bernard's for medical evaluation before being booked at the Craighead County Detention Center. The driver faced charges of felony fleeing, reckless driving, and no liability insurance and held a warrant from Jonesboro with a $10,000 cash-only bond. On June 6, 2024, around 2 to 9 p.m., a trooper stationed on Interstate 40 near the 282-mile marker observed a beige Cadillac SUV traveling at 86 mph in a 65 mph zone.
What's your name?
My name? Alex Wilson.
Alex Wilson?
Yes, sir.
The driver, identifying himself as Alex Wilson, stated he was in a hurry due to family obligations. However, when asked to step out of the vehicle, he instead drove off, prompting a pursuit.
I'm on Mound City Road. Show me your fucking hands! Show me your hands! Show me your hands!
The trooper then conducted a felony takedown, placing the driver, later identified as Nicholas Papacristo of Jonesboro, Arkansas, in handcuffs and advising him of his rights. And Papacristo was formally charged with speeding, fleeing in a vehicle, possession of drug paraphernalia,
D25 for sit on 1015.
Making a left turn on 79.
Is that little white Kia, right? The little sedan?
1040.
The chaotic scene unfolded on the Miami streets as the Florida Highway Patrol engaged in a high-speed pursuit with a suspect who refused to stop. The chase began when the suspect, driving erratically, ignored officers' signals to pull over, choosing instead to speed off into the dense Miami traffic. As the pursuit continued, the driver made increasingly reckless maneuvers, putting innocent motorists in jeopardy.
Signal 4, 23.
Officers quickly approached, apprehending the driver without further incident or injuries to any bystanders. This chase serves as a stark reminder of the dangers inherent in fleeing law enforcement. A runaway driver, with no regard for the safety of others, can escalate a simple traffic stop into a life-threatening situation for everyone on the road.
10-4, May 2532, got it.
The calm of I-55 near West Memphis was shattered as a high-speed chase unfolded between a reckless driver and the Arkansas State Police. The suspect, clocked at dangerous speeds, had ignored an officer's signal to pull over, choosing instead to accelerate further, weaving erratically through traffic.
All right, Chuck 1037, turn around here, Mound City. D27, what's your point?
PBI, 1016.
keep your hands up. Hands up and face away. Close the doors. Close the doors. Face away. Face away.
Miraculously, despite the vehicle's dramatic roll, the suspect was unharmed. Officers quickly approached, securing the scene and arresting the suspect without injury to anyone involved. The Arkansas State Police's quick, skilled response underscores the need for trained professionals to neutralize such threats effectively, protecting public safety even under the most dangerous conditions.